After a long wait, here is the most awaited event of the year, Expo 2020. एक्सपो 2020 का इंतज़ार हुआ ख़त्म और एक स्पार्कलिंग इवेंट के साथ एक्सपो हो गया शुरू. Come for the greatest global gathering in history with more than 190 countries and cultures under one roof. So let's visit the Expo 2020 together and let's make our world more clean, green, and more livable. So our coming generations will have a happy, healthy, and blessed life. It's our time. Morocco. Morocco.
Down and one is on down.
Take your time, madam. Very good. Welcome to Morocco Pavilion. Please this way. Welcome all of you to Morocco Pavilion. مرحبا بكم هنا في المغرب. بنشوفوا فيديو قصير دقيقتين وبس بيتكلم عن المغرب وبعدين ان شاء الله بس تاخذوا الليفت وتروحوا نتابعوا السادة. Welcome all of you to Morocco Pavilion. We'll watch together a short video of Morocco so you will have an idea. And you will take the elevator, you will go up and you will discover by yourself floor by the round. Thank you so much and enjoy. Shukran.
Welcome to Morocco. You will discover 2020 facets and much more. This exhibition is designed as a stroll through our pavilion. All you need to do is open the doors of your choosing to experience the extraordinary Morocco beyond your expectations. Morocco is a land of people driven by strong values. People who are open to others because they understand the universal dimension of humanity since the dawn of time. People who have gone beyond what they used to be, who have pushed back the limits of borders to explore the frontiers of knowledge. They discovered that an oasis can spring from the desert, that culture is nourished by nature, and that any limitation can be turned into an opportunity. Open onto the world, Morocco is more than ever a land of hospitality and encounters. It is by relying on its age-old culture and its talented youth that it is able to make progress and meet today's challenges, while constantly preserving its environment for the future generations. It is with these values in mind, the men and women of Morocco strive to build a better world for tomorrow than that of yesterday.
Thank you so much all of you. You can follow me to the
Studied theology at one of the most prestigious universities and madrasas in Fez. As a young man, he accompanied his uncle on diplomatic missions, visiting far-off lands such as Timbuktu.
अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी हो तो लाइक एंड शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा, और हमेशा की तरह मेरे और चैनल के सपोर्ट और मोटिवेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि आप चैनल से जुड़े रहें और आगे आने वाले ढेरों एक्सपो 2020 के वीडियोस अपलोड होते ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। अगर आपका कोई भी सवाल या फीडबैक हो या एक लाइन अप्रिसिएशन का लिखना चाहें तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स ज़रूर यूज़ करें। मुझे आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार रहेगा। सो टिल नेक्स्ट